Regularly updating menu item prices is essential to ensure accurate cost representation, adapt to market changes, maximize profitability, and enhance customer satisfaction. With Sapaad, you can effortlessly update menu item prices, enabling your staff to accurately charge customers the right amounts. In this video, you'll learn how to update the price of a menu item on Sapaad. Let's get started. On your Sapaad account, go to Setup and choose Menu Setup. You can use the search field to find the menu item for which you wish to update the price, or click on the categories on the right to search for your menu item. For this video, let's update the price of the classic New York cheesecake. Click on Edit. On the default price, enter the updated price for this menu item. If you wish to change the price for all locations, keep the checkbox for Change All Locations selected. This will update the menu price for all locations accordingly. If you intend to modify the price for a specific location only, uncheck the box and enter the desired price for each individual location. Once done, click on Update. If you would like to update the menu prices of all your menu items, you can simply download your menu items as a CSV file. To proceed, click on Upload Menu Items and choose Download All Items as CSV file. Once you have the CSV file, open it and locate the Prices column. Update the prices accordingly. Take note, avoid making changes to the category and menu item names, as this will duplicate them once you've uploaded the new CSV file. Return to the Upload Menu Items page. Click Choose File and upload the updated CSV file. You will be redirected back to Menu Setup. Don't forget to click on Refresh POS and Online Menu to sync and update your changes. If you're using the Sapaad online ordering module, we recommend you to sync the store settings by visiting Setup, Sapaad Add-ons, then select Sapaad Online Settings. Go to the Synchronize tab and click on Save to update your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully updated the price of a menu item on Sapaad. Make sure to check out our video on uploading barcodes to each item in Sapaad. Want to learn more? Click on the link below to book a demo.